Asslamoalikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine and doing great in your life. So today we are gonna start Madni qaida. Lesson number 1 name is Huruf-e-Mufridat. Huruf-e-Mufridat means individual letters or single letters. In English, there are letters more than 29 alphabets A, B, C, D. These are single letters. In the same way, in Arabic, there are 29 letters in number, and these single letters are called Huruf-e-Mufridat. Okay? So, from these 20, there are 7 letters. They are always pronounced in thicker voice. These letters are called Musta'aliya letters. So, Musta'aliya letters are those which are pronounced in thicker voice. These are Qaf, Ghain, Gha, Ta, Gad, Qad, Kha. Okay, so there are only 4 letters which are pronounced from our lips. These letters are Waw, Mim, Fa, Ba. There are 3 letters which when we pronounce these 3 letters, they produce a whistle-like high-pitched sound, and these letters are Qad. The whistle-like high-pitched sound means got it? Sin, Za. So I hope you understand these rules. So now we are going to start our lesson number 1. So first of all we say Alif, Alif, Ba. We suppress the letter Ba up to 1 second because Ba have Alif with it. I am going to show you. Okay. So the next letter is Ta, Sa. If 3 dots are present above the letter, then it is Sa, and we say Sa softly. The next letter is Jim. As you see, mud is present over here. The sign like this is called mud, and the letter which contain mud is stretched up to 3 to 5 seconds. So got my point? The next letter is Ha. Ha is pronounced from the middle part of our throat. Okay. The next letter is Kha. Kha. We suppress up to 1 second. I was told you that. The next letter is Dal, because it have mud on it, so that we suppress it up to 5 seconds. Next letter is Zal, Ra, Ra, Za. You know, we produce whistle-like sound. Za. Sin, Shin, Qad, Ghad, Qa, Gha, Ain, Ghain. Ain is also pronounced from the middle part of our throat. The next letter is Fa, Qaf. Okay. you see there are two dots present over here. The cough which have two dots, that cough is pronounced in thicker voice, and the calf which have no dots, it is pronounced in thinner voice. Okay, so that is cough, and that is calf. Lam, mim, noon, wow, ha. It is ha, not ha. Okay, the next letter is hamza. Yeah. So it's time to say goodbye to you. If you have any question, comment below. Stay connected with me and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.